Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to reset VW Tiguan after oil change, updated. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the doors closed and the key ready, then turn the ignition to position Roman 2 without starting the engine. Use the trip button on the dash to access the service menu, and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the oil reset and save the new interval. Follow these steps calmly, and I will walk you through each button press so it's simple. With the ignition in position Roman 2, press the trip button to navigate to the service menu and stop at the oil reset item. When the oil reset prompt appears, press and hold the button until it changes to confirm, then release and accept. The dash will display a confirmation that the oil service reminder is cleared. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you work on your Tiguan, with a spill-resistant lid and easy-carry design that fits most cup holders. I've linked it in the description along with other deals, so check those out if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, stay patient and try simple fixes I recommend often. Cycle the ignition off and on again, then retry the menu steps, and check battery voltage if the dash behaves oddly. For touch or newer infotainment models, use the steering wheel or screen menus to find the service reset. If all else fails, a quick visit to a dealer or technician will finish the reset in minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.